Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case and charge them for like 10 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And next you have to just take them out of this case. First open it, and you will hear that they are turned on, and also at this left earbud the indicator will start blinking blue, green and red, and it means that we are in the pairing mode automatically, so we don't have to press any buttons. Just straight keep open that case, go to the settings on your iOS device, open the Bluetooth settings, and then click on the settings icon. Right now select the Lenovo ThinkPlus XT95 Pro, click on them once, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.